Question A and 10 or A and 9, they're all correct. I don't know why you have several cross along angle 2, 3, and 5 of number 9. They're actually correct value. So I'm not sure why it's crossed, but according to my calculation, this is actually correct. So let's start from 10. I see you missed several angle that is not being calculated. So as you can see that you can you already calculate the angle 3, which is correct, and because you have a triangle and you can all the internal angle add up to 180 degree. So you have a right angle right here. 3 is basically 90 minus 52. So this in fact equals 38. And then the next you can calculate is